Hello, I'm Lina Sanchez. I'm a student of 5th semester of Modern Languages at Exeter University. Thank you for watching my video. Now, I'm going to talk about one of the most important plays of William Shakespeare. William Shakespeare, born on 1564 and died on 1616, was an English poet, playwright, and actor widely regarded as the greatest writer in the English language and the world's greatest dramatist. He wrote mainly tragedies, among them Hamlet, Othello, King Lear, and Macbeth, all considered to be among the finest works in the English language. About Hamlet is a tragedy written between 1589 and 1602. Set in Denmark, the play represents Prince Hamlet and his revenge against his uncle Claudius, who has murdered Hamlet's father in order to seize his throne and marry Hamlet's mother. Hamlet has three crucial moments. First, begins search and discovery. Second, Hamlet's mistakes and Letter's revenge. And finally, the duel in the end. About the first, Hamlet's uncle Claudius murdered Hamlet's father, who was the king of Denmark, and got married with the Queen Gertrude to fill the throne as a new king. Hamlet received a visit of a ghost who told him it was his father. It explained how Claudius killed him and demands that Hamlet avenge him. With some lectors, Hamlet makes the play The Murder of Gonzago, featuring a death in the style of his father's murder and studying Claudius' reaction. Claudius abruptly rises and runs from the room. For Hamlet, this is positive proof of his uncle's guilt. Second, Hamlet went to confront his mother Gertrude for marrying Claudius, while they fight bitterly. Polonius, Gertrude's early advisor, spying off the conversation from behind a curtain. Hamlet believes it is Claudius, stabs while killing Polonius, but he pulls aside the curtain and sees his mistake. Letters arrive back from France, enraged by his father's death. Claudius proposes a fencing match between Letters and Hamlet to settle their differences. Letters will be given a potion tip foil, and Claudius will offer Hamlet potion and wine as a congratulations if that fails. Gertrude interrupts to report that Ophelia has drowned. And finally, Hamlet accepts the duel. Hamlet does well at first, leading the match by 2 hits to none, and Gertrude rises to toast to him using the potion and glass of wine. Claudius tries to stop her, but it's too late. She drinks. Letters slashes Hamlet with his potioned blade. In the ensuing scuffle, they switch weapons, and Hamlet wounds Letters with his own potioned sword. Gertrude dies. Letters reconciles with Hamlet and reveals Claudius' plan. Hamlet rushes at Claudius and kills him. As the potion takes effect, Hamlet, hearing the fortinbras, is marching through the area, names the Norwegian prince as his successor. Hamlet dies in Oration arms. Fortinbras, seeing the entire Danish royal family dead, takes the crown for himself and orders military funeral to honor Hamlet.